Hey, I'm Sarah. I'm super happy. I was actually just sent this 12-piece canning set. I love to can. I've got a huge garden with fruits, vegetables, all the stuff. So I'm always canning, but I do not have near the amount of stuff this is. And this has got so much things to ease the process of canning. First of all, it comes with a 20-quart canning pot. This is a huge canning pot. This will hold 8 pints or 7 quarts of your jars in here. It has your clear lid so you can see what is actually happening in there, which is really nice because I like to be able to look in there and see if it's boiling or how hot it actually is getting. So that is neat. So it comes with this nice funnel that you can then put in your jars to be able to fill them with the little ladle that they give you. So you can put your items in here and then ladle it inside your jars. You also have this amazing tool. This is the little lifter. So when you are pulling your cans or jars out of your pot, you have this nice little lifter that you can then grab it. So you can pick up your jar, pull it out of your canning and not burn yourself, and then put it onto a heat-resistant surface. So these little lifters are really nice. They got nice quality on them. You've got the little lid lifter. It's got a little magnetic tie to it. So it lifts up your lid for you. This is actually it helps you open up the jars. So if I wanted to open up, say, my jar of potatoes here, I can just put this on there and then it will help me loosen up the jar lid. Little pair of tongs. So if you did have something like pickles or something you were trying to put in there or take a specific amount out, you got your little tongs there. You've got labels, which is awesome because I just write the date on the top. And sometimes I'll do different kinds of items, whether it's peach salsa, regular salsa, spicy. This would be really nice to be able to detail out to have your labels on there. It has a little spatula to be able to get out any excess stuff outside your pot, clean that up. And then it has your lifting mechanism here. So when you are canning, you can add your jars onto here and then lower them in and pull them back out. So let me show you here. So here's your little lifter. You can then sit it inside of your pot, and you can either have it sitting over the edge if you were just using it that way with this little lip, or you can put it all the way down in there and collapse in the top part. The other things you actually get a little jar washer. So that's really neat, little washer, because you always have to wash and sanitize your jars. So that is a good little washer there. And then you have these gloves. These are amazing because there's so many times where, you put something down and the jar starts to fall or whatever. You can just grab these heat resistant gloves. So they give you a nice set of gloves that go with it. So this is a really neat and nice full kit that anybody that is either a beginner in canning or someone like me that's been canning for years and years, and I did not have all of these supplies. I'm really looking forward to be able to use all those and simplify the process of canning.